Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Pepsi Lemonade. First thing you gotta do is you open up this lemonade mix and get 1 scoop and you pour it into this glass. Then after that, you fill up the water. Last but not least, you open up the can of Pepsi and you pour it into this glass. Let it settle. And fill up with a little more water. And get a spoon and we stir up the lemonade with the Pepsi mix. Not the Pepsi mix, with the lemonade mix. And here is your Pepsi lemonade. Enjoy!